Talk to me. Tell me a story. Talk to me. Tell me a story. So how can I tell you a story if I'm tapping on a stone? How can I tell you a story if I'm showing you just fingers? How can I tell you a story as the sandpaper is brushing against the wall? It's vibrating in my hand. The force I use, the sounds around me, the echo that's around me, and it's going he 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 he. And then the minute you get a thought inside your brain of anything, it'll put you onto a new word of he 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 he, is the basic vibration of medala, medala, medala. A medala, something to do with a child. Maybe I can turn this around. How do I turn the camera around? I can't, eh? So I'm taking off. Let me see the face I have here. See that face? I'm not going to take it off. I'm going to scrape it. I'm going to repaint it. I have the face going into what they look at as a bird. My 88 bird. My beak. One of the reasons for the cut beak, I don't know, but there is. The 88 eyes, but it's 8 and 8, and that's eternal, giving life to both sides. But is it giving love to both sides that creates the energy or something over here that you now breathe in from this side, from the divide? And this can be the B letter. This here can absolutely be the B letter. It's funny about the B letter. I'm going to try and show you one of the B letters. I did this in a video yesterday. The B letter. That's the B letter. Okay. And I'm going to make this a two-part video. I have to figure out how to turn this camera around. Lock, not lock. How do I turn the camera around? I can't, eh? So anyways, I'm going to keep holding the camera this way, and I'm just hoping that you can... Oh, I should get a mirror. If I get a mirror, I can see what you see, right? My place is absolutely... Well, you know what this is? All these toilet papers? Because I need to look at something on my face in the mirror. So I point this camera, hits my face, and it goes into the mirror. What was I looking for? Oh, my mirror. I don't know. Whoa, I've got stuff everywhere. So this is what I see when I walk. This is what I see. There it is. I see it. See it? Right over there. So this is that design. This is that design. Breathing it in. And then out here, two little wings sitting on a pedestal, and up here, in rotation, coming in the word of thought. See the way it has to be backed up? Now, of course, I'm making this up, but I can envision it. I can see it. I can see it, not when I'm looking directly at it. But sometimes I need a little extra vision. So I put it in the mirror, and I look at the mirror like that, and I look up, and it starts to tell me something just a little bit different as the thought processes. It's in the air. And it's just waiting to get inside your head. Unless you make the wrong decision, you get another altered image inside your mind, a different thought. What's really cool about this stuff, the drywall, it's pink when it goes on. When it's dry, it's ready. And my sandpaper is pretty rigid, but it doesn't matter because I'm putting another white over it. So yeah, I'm going to show you that B over here. Got to get to a surface that's flat. Okay, finally got a flat surface in here somewhere. And let's see if I can... So that's your B. Hold on, forgot my mirror. I want to see. I want to do this right on top of the... I'm going to do this almost on top of the mirror if I won't be able to see. So I'll put the mirror here. Let me see... What's on my phone? Hold on a second. I'm having trouble here. Okay. Okay, that's it. I need my mirror lifted on an angle. I better not put this too far on the side of the board, it'll fall down. I need my mirror lifted. I need the paper underneath the mirror. Boy, I'm sophisticated here. And if I need it raised, I'll use this. So I'll do that, and I'll raise it. And I'll be able to see what I'm showing you. I'm showing you this. So the B, see this actually passes here, right? The B is actually this and this. And that's your B. And you can either go into this tunnel or you can go into this tunnel. Anything, first of all, we're going to make a pathway so we can get in, because you can also get into this tunnel or you can get into this tunnel. Which way are you going? Your 88 is going to turn into a piece of artwork and show you all the passages and tunnels. And there's two things you're going to either see. You're either going to see a triangle or you're going to see a diamond shape. And this is for the where you go in and enter. I'm going to show you very simply. If you have the three circles together, hold on a second, let me get my camera out. If you have the three circles together, you end up with this over here. And that is when you know you've got into the house of clubs. Or you have the same thing, right? But your house is not when you have clubs, it's also when you have spades. And when you have spades and you take two spades and you take another spade or two hearts and you bring two hearts together, they're divided only by here, the two sides. Here are your two sides, creating your diamond. Where else can diamonds be found? Well, if you put four diamonds together, you cannot find the separation. If you put a diamond like this, and you, sorry, I don't have it with me right now. The paper's hard to see. So anyways, no, there's another design I wanted to make here. There's another design. The design is, what happens, let me see if I can do this. You know what? I'm going to go live and I'm going to upload this and then I'm going to go live to finish it off. Raphael 7286 in the constellation of Pegasus. Name this video Thank you for watching.